Hello friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel on trading, The Trading Sailor. So today I am going to discuss about the trades, the intraday trades that we carried out in the last 2 weeks. So without wasting time, directly here we go to the video. First, let's start with ICICI Bank. So ICICI Bank, I had given a buy call above 374.7, and you can see that the trade was active, and uh, if it closes, so the 5-minute candle closes above the 374.7, so that was the buy, and you can see that it hit the target, but though not the same day, it hit the target the next day. So we could easily make like 1:2.7 risk reward ratio, and I exited on the same day because I did not want to hold, as it did not give a proper close above 380. So I doubted that it might rebound back, so I just wanted to take away the profit, and there was also given that if it closes below the value of 272.7, then we go for a short. However, that did not happen, so that trade was closed. And the next in line is Petronet. Yeah, Petronet was a buy about 254.45, and if you can see the trade, once it closed, I bought one lot, and the trade was active, and I exited that same day on cost to cost, because again it did not go up. However, the next day you can see the market open, hit the target, and went down. So yeah, I exited cost to cost. It's okay, it's part of the trading, so no problem for me, because ICICI Bank gave a good profit on the first day. So Petronet, it's okay, and I exited on the cost to cost. So let's go to the next stock. So the next stock is HDFC. So HDFC was looking for more of a buy, even though the first candle was a strong red candle, but as per my analysis, it was mostly a buy, and I also wrote that if it closes above 1833, we go for a buy, and if it closing below 1822, then it looks weak. However, I jumped into the trade and I entered the short trade. Unfortunately, though, if you can see, it never closed below 1822. The lowest, the lowest close was 1822.8 or 1822.8. That was the lowest close. It never closed below 1822. So it was my mistake. I jumped and took the trade for shorting. So as usual, market gave me, and ended up in a loss. But it's yeah, it was like 3,000 rupees loss. I did not update that. It was a 3,000 rupees loss on that one, but that was my mistake. I did not wait. I did not have the patience to wait, which was a mistake, and that's why market gave me nicely. So the next is Tata Chem. Okay, so Tata Chem, it was strongly bullish from the opening itself. However, it had reached a level of major resistance, so that was the reason why I told that we will short, because 308, 310 and 310.35 to be precise. Yes, that was part where I found it is resisting, and it formed some candles of bearishness, you can see. So I shorted it. However, then I exited with a 2-point loss, and then if you can see that I have posted that if it is closing about 310.5, then it will run very heavily in the 5-minute candle. If this is 15-minute, in the 5-minute candle, if you see, as soon as it closed, the next two candles, it went up to 214.8, something like that, and I in fact made I just sorry 314.8 or something like that, and I made quick 4 to 4.5 points, so I got more than 2 points in the net profit. That's what happened in Tata Chem. And the next is Wipro. Wipro was given yesterday for a buy only if the candle is closing about 284.5 but there was no confirmation until the end of the day, so I did not take up the trade, unfortunately. If you can see today, exactly it went up, hit the target and came down. So anyway, I did not trade because unless and until there is no confirmation, I don't want to trade. So that was the thing. You can see it went up nicely, hit the target and came down. I was telling the target will be around 290 to 89 to 90, and exactly if you can see that was the range when it opened and came down. So yeah, pretty much that was the trade, but which was taken up last 2 days, last 2 weeks. And if you can see, overall it was not very profitable, I would say, but yes, we could get some minor profits. It's okay. Basically, it was the ICICI Bank which gave, and also Tata Chemicals, which gave profit, and the other was minor losses. So overall, yes, in this week I could just make about 15,000 rupees, but this last 2 weeks was 15,000. Anyway, I could not concentrate more. If you see my TradingView channel, I could not post more calls this week and the last week because, as I said, I am very much busy with navigating in the busy shipping lanes around the world, so it becomes quite difficult for me. However, tomorrow or the day after, I will try making a video and posting for the next week my reviews for the next month. What is the review, how I feel, what the market be, and also the views for next week and the review that was made on Nifty Bank Nifty the last to last week, I mean 3 weeks before, which I had made. So that's it. Thank you friends, thank you for sparing your time in watching my video. So if you like the way I trade and like the idea, please share, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. Have a nice day.